One of the stock market's favorite companies, Apple. These guys. That's delicious. That's from that tree out there. They're issuing $1.96 billion in senior unsecured bonds, 7-year bonds, in Canada. This is Apple's first Canadian bond issuing and the largest for any non-Canadian company. It's a good Apple. Kind of in there, though. Everybody needs a little fiber. It's the biggest issuing for any non-Canadian company of all time in Canada. Now, Apple says they're going to use this bond money for some stock buybacks and some dividend payouts. Apple's sitting on a lot of cash. I'm not entirely sure if they need this money from $1.96 billion. Seems like peanuts in comparison to just the actual cash on hand that Apple has. Maybe a different strategic reason for it. Maybe just kind of doing business, just churning the pot. I'm not entirely sure. But Canadians, if you're interested in Apple, this definitely gives you another avenue rather than owning the actual equity. You get a bond issued here in Canada, which is going to be a little bit of a tax break as opposed to purchasing stuff from out there. So, Apple coming to Canada for the first time, issuing a corporate bond, $1.96 billion in 7-year senior unsecured bonds. And that Apple's really hanging around. It's I think there was a worm in there.